The internet has opened up a world of opportunities, and the demand for online businesses has never been higher. We're seeing a huge surge in people just like you, looking for ways to take control of their finances and build something of their own. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, there's never been a better time to jump in and ride this wave of opportunity. Stick around, because in this video, we're going to break down exactly why e-commerce demand is booming and, more importantly, how you can capitalize on it with Exodus Capital. Let's be real for a second. The job market is more unpredictable than ever. The old way of thinking, go to school, get a good job, work there for 40 years and retire comfortably. It's not as much of a guarantee as it used to be. The landscape has changed dramatically. We're seeing layoffs, company downsizing, entire industries getting disrupted. It's a tough reality to face, but it's the world we live in now. That's why more and more people are turning to e-commerce. It's a growing field with endless possibilities. When you have your own e-commerce business, you're not relying on a single employer for your income. You diversify your income streams. You're the boss. You call the shots. You have the freedom to make decisions that directly impact your success. You decide how much you want to work, what products you want to sell, and how you want to grow your business. The control is in your hands. It's about taking control of your financial future and creating something that's yours. Something that can grow and evolve with you. And the best part is, you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. Anyone with the right mindset can succeed. With the right guidance and support, anyone can build a successful e-commerce business from the ground up. There are countless resources available to help you on your journey. You can work from anywhere in the world, set your own hours, and be there for the important moments in life. Imagine the freedom that comes with that. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be easy. Building a successful e-commerce business takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. It's a journey filled with challenges. But let me tell you, the rewards are well worth it. The sense of accomplishment, the financial freedom, and the ability to live life on your own terms make it all worthwhile. E-commerce also gives you the flexibility to work around your current situation. You can fit it into your life, no matter how busy you are. If you have a full-time job and can only dedicate a few hours each week to your business, that's okay. Every little bit helps. You can start small and scale up as you go. The key is to stay consistent and keep pushing forward. You're investing in your own future, your own financial security. It's a journey worth taking. Chapter 3. Low savings. Build your nest egg with e-commerce. Saving money can be tough. There are always unexpected expenses, tempting sales, and sometimes you just need to treat yourself. But saving for the future is crucial. Whether it's an emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or retirement, having that financial cushion can make all the difference. Building a successful e-commerce business is like creating your own personal ATM. It's a way to generate consistent income, even when times are tough. And that means you'll have more money to put towards your savings goals. E-commerce also gives you the flexibility to control your own schedule and work from anywhere. At Exodus Capital, we're passionate about helping aspiring entrepreneurs like you achieve financial freedom through e-commerce. We provide the resources, guidance, and support you need to launch and grow a successful online business. Chapter 4. Beat the high cost of living with e-commerce. the cost of living just keeps going up. Rent, groceries, gas. It all adds up. Every month, it feels like there's less and less left over after paying the bills. E-commerce can be your secret weapon to combat those rising costs and actually get ahead. With a traditional job, you're often limited by your salary or hourly rate. Raises and promotions can be few and far between, making it hard to keep up with inflation. But with e-commerce, your income potential is directly tied to your effort and the success of your business. The harder you work, the more you can earn. You have the potential to earn significantly more than you ever could at a traditional 9-to-5. Success stories abound of individuals who have turned their e-commerce ventures into lucrative enterprises. With an e-commerce business, you don't have the same overhead as a traditional brick-and-mortar store. No rent, no utility bills, and fewer employees mean lower costs. You can start small and scale up as you go. Many successful e-commerce businesses began in a garage or a spare room. You can sell to customers all over the world, which means a much larger potential customer base than a traditional local business. This global reach opens up endless possibilities. This global reach can translate into increased sales, higher profits, and a greater ability to combat those pesky rising costs of living. By leveraging the power of e-commerce, you can take control of your financial future and beat the high cost of living. So there you have it. We've covered the major reasons why e-commerce demand is absolutely exploding right now. From job insecurity to crushing debt, low savings to the ever-increasing cost of living. Starting an e-commerce business can be your solution to taking control of your finances and building a more secure future. But here's the thing. Taking that first step is often the hardest part. We're here to guide you every step of the way, providing the resources, support, and expertise you need to turn your e-commerce dreams into a reality. Head over to our website or click the link in the description to learn more about how Exodus Capital can help you unlock your full potential and achieve financial freedom through e-commerce.